So next is discussion about the structure of sodium chloride. When you come to the study of the structure of sodium chloride, first we shall draw the figure concerned to the structure of NaCl is as follows. Looking at this figure, this is a nothing but a cubic lattice, but we have FCC structure, face centered cubic lattice. While drawing this one, I have shown here the solid circle as a sodium ion and hollow circle as a Cl minus ion. And when looking at these total structure, you can see sodium ion and Cl minus ions present alternatively. This is one unit cell of sodium chloride, where, as you know, this unit cell is nothing but a smallest part of the crystal lattice, which have the systematic pattern of arrangement of the particles in the 3 dimensions. And after having the figure, looking at this figure, say this is a part Cl minus ion, and this is surrounded by other 6 Na plus ion. See, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, and this is 5, and this is 6. That means each Cl minus ion is surrounded by other 6 Na plus ion, and vice versa also. And each ion is surrounded by either 6 opposite charged ions. Na plus is a 6 Cl minus ion, and Cl minus is a 6 Na plus ion. And overall, the coordination number of each ion in a crystal lattice is found to be 6. The ratio of these two ions are 6:6 ratio. That means 1:1 ratio. So 1 with a 6 Cl minus ion and 1 Cl minus a 6 Na plus ion. So total it gives a 1:1 ratio. NaCl is being a 1:1 ratio. When you're looking at this further concept, it has a face centered cubic lattice. Na plus is present at the corners and also face centers, while Cl minus are present at the body center and also edge centers. It can also be vice versa. As I told you, every Na plus ion is surrounded by 6 Cl minus ion. Also are have as one above, one below, and one left and one right, one above, and these are the already I explained as I told you. Similarly, the Cl minus is surrounded by 6 Na plus ions. We express its saying that Na plus ion as well as Cl minus are the coordination number 6. The structure of NaCl with the coordinate 6 is 6. And what would be the unit formula of this sodium chloride crystal lattice? If you look at carefully at the structure of sodium chloride, we shall find that there are 4 units of Na plus and Cl minus, each in a unit cell. Now, looking at this total, as I told you, that means this Na plus ions present at the corner and also face center, isn't it? Totally, when you say this a cubic system has 8 corners, and FCC, when you have the FCC, face centered cubic lattice, that means the FCC has 8 corner particle and 6 face particle. 8 corner particle, 6. The contribution of corner particle to each unit cell is 8 into 1/8, plus contribution of this face center particle per unit cell 6 into 1/2. That is got 8 cancel each other, 2 3 ja, that 1 plus that's got 4. That means when you consider this total simple unit cell of NaCl, where this contribution of sodium plus ions in the unit cell is found to be 4. That is a 4 Na plus ions present in the unit cell. And as I told you, the Cl minus present 1 at the center of the body, 1 at the center of the body, and 12 at the edges of this. These are edges here, edge. So this edge. So edges are there. 12 at the edges of this cubic system. And as I told you, that means if the number of Cl minus per unit cell is equal to 1, that is at the body center, plus the contribution of the edge particle. So 12 into 1/2. 12 is the total number of edge particles of Cl minus, and the contribution of each the particle to the units is 1/4. So 4 is 12. So totally, so we have this 1 plus a 4 and 4 Cl minus n. And when you consider this unit cell entire, and it is equal to 4 Na plus ion and 4 Cl minus ion, and totally when it comes to 4 Na plus 4, the entire this crystal, it is a 4 NaCl molecule present in the unit crystal of sodium chloride. So this and as I told you, this being a Cl minus ion and Na plus, all these surrounded throughout the around the Cl minus in the what is the octahedral. So this is the 1 2 3 4, and you have the octal structure. So we have the even outside this plane, every side of the direction of the plane, you can see there is presence of a octahedral structure for these. This is 1 and 4 and 1 above and below. As I told, this is actual structure having the 6 coordination number. So thus we can write this structure of NaCl. The total number of formal units present the 1 unit cell of the sodium chloride is equal to 4. That we can write the 4 NaCl for this. So this is all in the structure of NaCl as such. Now we can write, when you go for attend examination, you must write the structure and you explain what all the things I have given in the notes is more than sufficient. Okay, thank you. Okay, well.